Hey guys, hope you guys are doing well. I'm Kokila here with Kelum, and today we are going to teach you guys about a thing called transpose of a matrix. Yeah, okay, the transpose. Right. So if we take a matrix like A and say it's 1, 2, 3. So this is a simple matrix. It has only one row and 3 columns. So in a transpose, the transpose is formed by turning all the rows of a given matrix into columns and vice versa. Which means I'll turn this row into a column and I'll turn all the columns into a row. So into rows. So this the transposer of this particular matrix will be 1, 2, 3. And this can be represented by a t, like a to the power t, something like that. So if you can see this here, this particular position is 1, 1, this position is 1, 2, and this position is 1, 3. So there's only one row and 3 columns, but in the transposer this position is 1, 1, but this one is 2, 1, and this is 3, 1. So there are 3 columns and there are 3 rows and only 1 column. So in the transposer, in the transpose of a matrix, the number of rows in the actual matrix will be the number of columns in the transpose, and the number of columns in the actual matrix will be the number of rows in the transpose of the matrix. And if we take another example like say B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is square matrix and the dimensions are 2 by 2. So the transpose will be B to the power t will be this row will become a column, so 1, 2, and this row will become a column as well. So this is this position is 1, 1, 1, 1. This is 1, 2. This is 2, 1, and this is 2, 2. Here, this is 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, and 2, 2. So all the rows and all the columns have been interchanged. That's the basic idea of the transpose. So you will maybe sometimes you will if you take a 3 by 3 matrix, say C is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the transpose of this matrix C to the power t will be, this row will become a column 1, 2, 3, this row will also become a column 4, 5, 6, and this row will also become a column 7, 8, 9. So that's pretty simple. So but make sure not to confuse the transpose with the inverse. So there's a particular thing called an inverse of a matrix. So inverse and transpose are 2 different things. Always try to remember that. Don't get confused. So if you think about the usage of a transpose of a matrix, when you do programming using matrices and all, maybe sometimes the transpose will become handy. So if you come across something like when you need a transpose, you can get that transpose using this simple method.